Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow Pinterest to use your data to help train Pinterest Canvas on your PC, following the latest update. Pinterest Canvas is Pinterest's new AI model, designed to improve visual discovery and enhance your experience on the platform. By choosing to let Pinterest use your data, you're contributing to the development of smarter, more personalized features for everyone. Let's walk through the steps to enable this setting. First, open Pinterest from your browser on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Settings. This will open up your account management options. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select Privacy and Data. This section controls how Pinterest uses your information, including for AI training. Now look for the option labeled Use Your Data to Train Pinterest Canvas. You'll see a checkbox next to it. To allow Pinterest to use your data, simply check this box. This means your publicly shared content, like your pins, can help Pinterest improve its AI models and introduce new features. Once you've checked the box, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This confirms your choice and updates your privacy settings. That's it. You've now enabled Pinterest to use your data to train Pinterest Canvas. This helps Pinterest develop better tools and more creative ways to discover content, making the platform more engaging for everyone. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to the Privacy and Data section and uncheck the box to opt out. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on Pinterest's latest features.